for those of us who have come together here in Baltimore, the city that reads, for a weekend of learning, gathering, and celebrating. I want to thank you for investing in our association, but most importantly, investing in yourselves and in your career.
This is where everything begins.
So libraries have played a major role in my life and been instrumental just in me having the option to choose books to read that I couldn't get while I was in the classrooms, that I couldn't get when I was in Catholic school because I was forced to read books with characters that didn't look like me. And so it played a vital part of my creativity.
I always want to help recruit people to our field because I feel that this is beautiful work and it's so necessary and so many opportunities for everyone to be a part of this community. Joining all the groups, learning about their work, that has been instrumental. So I very much appreciate these conference opportunities. Networking is very important. We're stronger together, we always will be. And there are so many opportunities that are available in libraries.
Just all the gifts that the library can give you. But I think that libraries and community centers can play a major role in solving our mental health care crisis.
I want them to see that the library is a hospital for education and for social services. And we're the only place in town that you can get a Wi-Fi signal to fill out your unemployment paperwork each week. We are so much more than the books on our shelves.